how to go Instagram live. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So just remember that if you want to go live, your account must be public and you must have at least 1,000 followers to start a live broadcast. So I'll show you how to go live. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Instagram app. Make sure that if you're under 16, you have your parental permission or you could be blocked. So once you open up your Instagram app, you'll see plus icon in the top left. Just tap on it and you will need to scroll to the left and go to the live section, and at the top you can see share with followers option. So now you can choose whether you want to share with all of your followers, just your close friends, or just practice. And after you have chosen, you can just tap on this circle and then go live. But as I said, you are not eligible if you don't have 1,000 followers and don't have public accounts. So make sure that you do that before going live. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.